Hello everyone, welcome to AnyDB. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AnyDB platform to manage your assets. So there is a new workspace available for asset management. So let's take a look at it right now. So first, let's click on Load Solution, and then let's select Asset Management, and then click on Load. And then let's go to the Asset Records by clicking on it. Next, let's click on this row to open the record. And here we go. As you can see, this is a full data related to a single record or a single item. In this case, it's a laptop. So in this first section, you can add all the details, relevant information about this asset, such as category, if it's IT equipment, furniture, vehicle, or machinery, and so on. You can also set up if its asset is for business use or personal use. And then, as you can see also, we've got an asset ID number here set up as a barcode, which is easy to be tracked by a mobile phone, for example. And then you can open the same records here by a mobile app. And then you've got asset description, the asset tag, the book value, and the overall status. Now, if this item is awaiting a loan, or if it's active, or if it's deployed, everything can be checked out by this drop-down list as a status. And then we've got the location section. Additionally, we've got a vendor details section, which you can add the vendor information. And then the purchase details as well. If the price, the purchase order reference, the invoice as an attachment, and the insurance section. And then there is also space here for comments if it's needed. Now, as you can see, it's a very straightforward. You can also add an asset journal, which basically means that along the time, these assets can be assigned to one person, and then this can be signalized by adding this asset journal. So for example, let's add a new journal here. And then basically what we can do is to set up a status for this asset. So let's say, for example, for now, this asset is available for use, which means that no one is assigned to this asset. So we can check out here. And then if I come back to the item, you can see in this field, latest journal status. So basically for now, the current status is that this asset's available, which means it's available to be assigned to any person for using. And then you can also see the historical journal, which means that what has happened to this, happened to these assets along the way.